Quick update for everyone who's in this Litecoin trade right now. Like me, I made this video yesterday talking about this Litecoin long trade. So here's the plan, guys. Yesterday my stop loss was over here for minus $20,000. What I've actually done now is I've increased the position size and I've moved my stop loss to around 92.1 for as you can see, I'm risking $9,800 at 92.1. So we've went from $20,000 of risk to actually now just $9,800 of risk here. So we've upped the position and we have moved up the stop loss because the trade is going in our direction like we've anticipated. And at this point, the probability of it dropping back down here is getting lower and lower. So this is what we've done. That's my update for this trade. Pay attention to Litecoin versus Bitcoin, guys. If Litecoin versus Bitcoin broke below this support, okay, that's where you gotta be like, oh crap. If Litecoin versus Bitcoin breaks down through this support, then our analysis would be invalidated. We want to get out of this trade. So that's one thing that you're paying attention to. Stay above this red line. Besides that, guys, we're locking in profits at 101. We're locking in profits at 104, 105. And then after that, letting the rest ride 30 to 60% for maybe higher prices. Tesla is having an event on Wednesday. So this actually lines up very well with my analog of 3 days higher and then the collapse lower begins for the Dow Jones. Once again, if you haven't watched my previous analysis video, basically I think we have one last bounce in the stock market before we begin rolling over, and look what's happening to be in the week. We're bouncing perfectly, just like this pattern that we saw in Tesla before it started collapsing. And it's kind of funny because Tesla event may be the catalyst, or at least the final day as we start to go lower. So check this out, right? You have in the Dow Jones the same pattern that Tesla did before it started collapsing lower. So you have a triple top, okay, right here. 1, 2, 3, or you can really say it's a top, 4 top, right? Then you have a double bottom in this channel, right? You tap off the bottom of the channel, 1, 2, okay, 1, 2. And you can also see, actually, you could say this is a 4 top. So basically, look, stock market bottoms, goes up for 1 month, and then it goes in a sideways channel for 3 months. Tesla bottoms, goes up, sideways channels for 3 months, 4 tops, 2 bottoms, 4 tops, 2 bottoms, and we're seeing this bounce right here that we saw Tesla do right there before it started rolling over, and that's exactly what I think we're seeing right now. So I think this is the last bounce in the markets before it starts heading lower. So it's like this, guys. It's especially if it repeats like Tesla. So remember, if the Tesla event is on Wednesday, well, think about it. This candle right here is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You sell the news, and then the descent lower begins. So it could happen, guys. The rollover could happen on Thursday is where it could really begin. I mean, we have a very clear picture of what's happening. We think we have a few days higher at least. After that, get ready. I think the market's probably going to start going lower. So we're long for now, and we'll be switching short later probably. But for now, the profit targets would be 101, 104, and higher. But remember, we're not saying it's going to get to 118 or 120 because a lot of it depends on the timing of this stock market move. After Wednesday, I do not want to be long, right? Or at least I want to be very hesitant. I want to be very cautious because based on the analog, based on the pattern, after Wednesday is when this market gets bearish. So, that's when I want to be very careful on the bullish side. So bullish until probably Wednesday. If you want to join my alerts, guys, first link down below this video to join. I update everyone live and in real time exactly what my stop loss is, where to take profit. I tell you everything here. So if you want to join my Telegram alerts, it's completely free to join. First link down below this video to get live text messages updating you on the exact trades that we're taking. Guys, it should be a good pump here. So once again, realize our main profit targets are 101 and 104. Okay? Yeah, could it go higher than that? Yes, it could. But overall, I wouldn't even be surprised if we actually switched short on Litecoin. We started shorting Litecoin around 104, 105 around Thursday. Maybe the move looks perfect. It looks great for a short. And maybe it doesn't look great for a short. Maybe there is bearish divergence. Maybe there isn't. Right? So comes Thursday, that's when we'll probably decide are we going to be shorting up here, or are we going to stay long? Now, I'm just going to say that Litecoin is the last thing I'd want to short, to be honest. Although, hey, if it starts to break down here, though, then it can quickly turn from one of the best performing cryptos into a very poor performing crypto. Right? But as of now, as long as this uptrend is intact for Litecoin over Bitcoin, we probably would prefer to short something else besides Litecoin. I can't like hold your hand here on YouTube. I can hold your hand through these trades if you join the alerts, which is completely free to do so. But yeah, I mean, I hate when people just, have no idea what they're doing. And so, like, let's say me and everyone in the alerts are switching short on Thursday and you're holding long, and then you blame me when the shit comes down. It's like, dude, no, we took profits and we shorted. You can't be mad at me. Or the opposite. Let's say you switch short here early and me and everyone in the alerts is still long and you get your face ripped off and then you're blaming me. It's not my problem. I'm doing what I'm doing. If you do something differently, that's not on me. I literally update people for completely free on exactly what I'm doing. So if you can't be self-sufficient and independent, then one, you need to either join my alerts, which is completely free. I don't charge you a single penny to do so. Or you need to take the Crash Trading Charts course and learn how to read these charts for yourself so you don't have to depend on me or anyone else to know what you're going to do in your trade. So guys, that's it for me. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.